another Southern Fix video. 2 videos back, I showed everybody how to remove an RV toilet valve, and now I got mine in. I want to try to give you all an idea of just a reminder of how to put the new one in and get it installed right, and then so you don't have any problems out of it later. So if you'll zoom in here with me, and so I'm going to show you all how easy it is to install this. As I was talking in the last video, keep the O-ring because it might not come with one. Well, this one came with one, so all we got to do is just install it. Should just take a couple minutes. So what we're going to do is take your rod first. It came with a new rod in it and everything too. So what you want to do is point that rod downward into that hole. Let it go down in there. It's in. Pops right in there. Okay, then you want to take, it's got this groove, and a groove right here slides right in like that. So what you want to do is you're going to hold this flush knob so you can get it over to that point. And you get it lined up in that slide groove right there. And you just push it in there. You can let go of the valve and pop it on in. That pops down in that little hole right. Hope you can see that good. Pops down in that little hole right there. Then it's in there. Alright, then you just take, like we showed before, you got one Phillips screw head right here that goes in this one hole right here. You just screw it in there till it's good and snug, and don't over tighten it because it's plastic, it'll break. So get it in there. See, everything's good and solid. Double check your rod, everything's in working condition. Okay. Now I want to come back in here and the hose, no clamps. You got 2 flanges. It's got 2 flanges on there on the pipe. If you can see them good, I hope you can. And you're going to take that hose and you're going to push it up over those flanges till it gets a good grip on there. And that's about all there is to it. So now the toilet's ready to be back installed in the camper. So we'll get that back in there in the next day or two. Got a couple projects going on. Over here, taking the carpet out of that bass boat. Going to rebuild it with new seats, new carpet and everything. So just keep continuing to watch my videos. Try to show you what you need to, maybe it'll help you out to do what you need to do is what I'm trying to say, I guess. And like I said, I'm going to, here in the next video or two, I'm going to just get bass boat. Everybody's having motors blow up and stuff because of that junk Vero oil injection system. I'm going to show you how to bypass that completely. Go back to old school. Ain't nothing better than old school. Go back to old school, mix your own gas in the gas tank, and run that boat forever. Never have a problem out of it. So, if you will, continue to watch my videos, like and subscribe. Hope this helps you out, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.